spicy cheese chip. Yes, it's jalapeño. Looks very pretty. Look at these. Ah, look at that. You want some? So good. Hola familia, Busy Mommy here. And today I'm coming at you with some cheese chips, but we're gonna do a little bit of a variation. So I'm gonna have a whole kind of series on these because I feel like there's many different kinds you can make. These are gonna be my spicy cheese chips, so similar to like a Jalapeño Popper Cheese Chip, and it's super simple. Now, if you have made my cheese tortillas before, you know how simple that is. Recipe's linked below. Super easy to make those. It's a great recipe, love that. I've been wanting something to snack on. Super Bowl's coming around the corner for us here. We need some chips to eat for the Super Bowl, to eat with that guacamole or that cheese dip that you made or any of that. So what you're gonna do is make yourself some keto-friendly cheese chips that you can eat during these parties. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a jalapeño. Yes, it's jalapeño. My first language was Spanish and it's jalapeño. So if you want, we could do this all in Spanish too. Vamos a agarrar un jalapeño y vamos a cortarlo bien. I'm kidding. We're gonna cut this jalapeno very thin. Now, if you have a mandolin, you can use a mandolin. I just always eyeball it. It's not a big deal. It doesn't have to be super duper thin. Now, if you don't like jalapenos, you can definitely do this with peppers, like just regular peppers if you want that flavor, but you don't have to do it with anything. You could just do it with the cheese. I have 3 different types of cheeses in here. I have a sharp cheddar cheese. I have a Mexican blend, which has like asadero cheese and all that. And then I have mozzarella in here. So the part skim mozzarella, similar to what I do when I make my cheese tortillas. And I mix that all together. Few things you can add to this: a dash of garlic powder, a dash of onion powder, some cumin, and it gives you a little bit more of that taco spice flavor. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and get a pinch of that mix, and you're gonna make little tiny chips. Now you can make them as small as you want. I like them this size because if you're gonna use it for guacamole or if you're gonna use it for a cheese dip, you definitely want like a sturdier chip. So we're gonna go ahead and make all of our little cheese chips with this piece of parchment paper. I'll probably make 9. So I make my little circles. I'm going to take one of my sliced jalapenos and just put it right in the middle. It looks very pretty, fancy even, and you have yourself a yummy spicy chip. Now this is a small piece, so I'm gonna put 2. Another thing you can do is on top of this, add a little dollop of cream cheese to make it the Jalapeño Popper dip. I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna use these to dip, so I want them to be harder. So I'm gonna go ahead and now that I have these all ready, I'm gonna put them in an oven at 350 degrees for about 7 to 10 minutes. So going in. Look at these. Yummy, yummy chips. Just gonna separate them from the paper like you do with the cheese tortillas. I'm gonna flip them so that it dries out a little bit and let them cool for a minute, and then we're gonna eat them to see how they taste. So we're back. As you saw, I gave you, why do I say we're back? As if you guys like have a commercial in between. Anyway, all right, so here are the cheese tortilla chips that I showed you a little bit earlier. And then I went ahead and made some Jalapeño Popper ones with a little bit of cream cheese on top. And these I put in for about 9 minutes. These I put in for 11 minutes. So I like them crispier, almost slightly burnt, because that's just how I like it. It's like a really good crunch and it doesn't taste burnt. These are a little softer. Still just as good. So whatever you want, preference-wise, just let them cool a little and they'll get crispier. But these, for a party, for you to have snacks, look how good it holds up with this heavy-duty guacamole. Look at that. Oh, so good. You want some? You're gonna have to make it. Like I say in all my videos, please like, subscribe, and comment. Please let me know if you want me to try other types of chips or you want me to try to make other things, or if you've tried this and if you like them. They're so good. Just like I said before, you don't have to add jalapeño to the middle. You can make them just cheese only. But man, it adds that nice little kick and makes them taste super good, even by themselves. So at your next party, your next snack for work, whatever it is that you want to do, try some of these cheese tortilla chips and enjoy the little things in life. So peace, love, and keto as always, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also hit the notification button. Thanks guys, bye. I'm gonna eat the rest of these because, okay, maybe not the rest of them, that's a lot. Look at this. So good. Make the guac, the video is below. Yum. You know what? I think I'm gonna make another batch too, because I might as well, right? All right, let me get my cheese.